Tired of financial roadblocks holding you back from your dreams? This video will break down Fairstone Financial Loans, exploring how they can potentially pave the way to achieving your goals. First, let's talk about what Fairstone Financial actually offers. Fairstone specializes in personal loans designed for various needs, like debt consolidation, home improvements, or unexpected expenses. One key benefit is their flexible loan amounts, ranging from $500 to $50,000. Allowing you to borrow only what you need. They also offer customized payment schedules, making budgeting easier with predictable monthly payments. This helps avoid any surprises down the road. Another popular use is debt consolidation, where a Fairstone loan can combine multiple high-interest debts into a single, more manageable payment, potentially saving you money on interest in the long run. Now, let's cover the requirements generally. You'll need to be a Canadian resident, have a stable source of income, and meet Fairstone's credit criteria. You'll typically need to provide proof of income, identification, and banking information during the application process. Applying is usually done online or in person at a Fairstone branch. The online application is straightforward and allows you to get a quick estimate of your potential loan terms. Keep in mind, interest rates and loan terms will depend on your credit history and financial situation. Fairstone Financial Loans can be a useful tool when used responsibly and for the right reasons. Be sure to weigh the pros and cons carefully, compare interest rates, and understand all the terms and conditions before committing to a loan. Don't forget to do your own research and assess whether a Fairstone loan aligns with your specific financial circumstances and goals.